Are you struggling with your B2 reading exams? Do long texts, tricky questions, and time pressure make it even harder for you? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you powerful strategies to get higher score in your B2 reading exam and pass B2 exam with confidence. At the end of the video, I'll give you bonus tips. So let's get started. I will share one screen with you. Then we'll see what are these B2 reading exam strategies. Right? Now, one by one, we'll see. Now, first thing will come that understanding the B2 reading exam. This is very, very important. Understanding main ideas, finding specific details, guessing meaning from context, matching headings or summarize. Right? This is very, very important. This comes under understanding the B2 reading exam. Then, what are the tasks given to you? MCQ, matching exercises, and gap fill tasks. The key is not just reading, but it is reading smartly. Don't just read blindly, but read smartly. For that matter, you have to practice reading regularly. Okay. Now, first strategy. It is called as skimming. So, what is skimming? Read the title, whatever text is given to you in the exam, read the first and last paragraph because mostly the keywords are hidden there. Look at keywords. Don't try to understand every word. Okay, just understand the meaning, what the text is telling you. Okay, by reading the text, you have to understand the meaning of the text. What is the theme of the text? Okay, main idea of the text, and not understanding every word. Now, strategy two is scanning. Earlier, we have seen skimming. Now, this is scanning. In scanning, searching and not reading comes. Okay, not reading full text, but searching. Okay, so you have to search it smartly for keywords. Then we'll move to third strategy. Okay, now in this, suppose here you have to look for keywords. How to look for keywords? Suppose the question is given to you that why did the author move to Paris? Okay, and some text will be there. Based on that text, this is the question. Keywords will be why, author, move, and Paris. So you have to search for these keywords. This is very, very important. Searching for the keywords. Now, next strategy will be time management. Don't spend too long on one question. Okay, suppose you are finding it difficult. Again, come to that question. Okay, solve easy questions, skip difficult questions, and return later. Just don't spend too long on the same question, difficult question. Leave 5 minutes at the end to check answers. This is also very, very important. Sometimes you may miss one or two, so you have to leave 5 minutes to check the answers. Then part six will be common mistakes. What are the common mistakes? Reading too slowly. So that's why you have to practice reading German texts regularly. Now, translating every word. Okay, so I will not suggest you that just translate each and every word. That is not here, it is not required here actually. Okay, so you have to get the main idea of the text. Then third common mistake is ignoring instructions. Okay, so this also you don't do this mistake. Many students do these kind of mistakes, ignoring instructions, because instructions are very, very important. Accordingly, you will get points or marks. Okay, So don't ignore. Then the last mistake will be not checking answers. Okay. Now we have left 5 minutes at the end to check answers. So always leave 5 minutes. Otherwise, you may miss few answers. Okay. Or you will realize, no, this is not the right answer. So if you get the correct answer. So not checking answer is the very most common mistake you can say. Now, what is the bonus tip? Practice articles, blogs, exam papers. Old exam papers you should practice. Okay, mock tests you should give. So practice is very, very, very important in this for this reading exam. And ask yourself, what is the main idea? Okay, suppose some text is given to you. You have to ask that what is the main idea of this text, then only you will be able to understand it and solve the questions, right? So I hope this is clear with you. That's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel and you are preparing for birthday exams, then do subscribe to my channel. I am coming up with all these exam related videos. So that's it for today, friends. Thank you and bye bye.